the clothes closet.
Why not? It is cute.
That's cute.
Uh-huh. Okay, now please open it.
Ta-da!
Uh-huh. So you're thinking like it's a what? Refrigerator? Oh, I thought it was. Isn't that amazing? Turns out it's a closet. So what's in here? Can we put something in here? No, you cannot. I don't think so.
What's in the bottom? Open the door.
Can you open it?
No.
What's that for?
Don't know.
What
Oh,
does it
drain
say?
tank. So if you get moisture, it collects it down
Oh, collects it down there. Oh.
there. Yeah, very nice. All
Now this one.
Uh,
Let's see. Hanger. Ironing system. I think you can.
oh.
And then take out, I guess you can take that out. So you can use it as a.
Ironing board.
Uh-huh. I think so.
No, I think you just hang it here. And then
And
shut
press
that-
it.
you shut that on
Oh. And then do you have to turn it on or something? Using the pen strings hand. That's
there.
it?
I think that's it. You just put them in there. You squish them
Uh-huh.
and press it. Nice.
Isn't that amazing?
We need one of these at the house.
That's too small.
I'm sure they have larger versions. This is the 1000. You can probably get the 9800 or something.